And second friends right there, we're back with the Hoover self-propelled Ultra with wind tunnel technology by Hoover. There's a bag check indicator. This is part of the wind tunnel series. I think this was the first generation. There's a HEPA filter in there. It's stuck. This is a trash find, by the way. Well, not really a trash find. I found it in my grandpa's basement. It's not really a basement. It's building's basement. He kind of owns the entire apartment building. Not really. Well, he's the supervisor. There's a hose here. Yeah, you can take that off. Clean it. I don't give a shit if you do that or not. Shout outs to everyone who has this. So we're gonna use it, but you know what's kind of stupid? It says when this handle, like when you pull it back, you pull the vacuum back, they turn the brush roll off. And then you actually could just turn the brush roll off completely. Hold on, it's stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. Right. So it's on. The brush roll's on. It's in the mid carpet height. It's really dusty. Ugh. This is the bag. It's Hoover Y. It doesn't have much dirt. I got this a year ago. I kind of vacuumed my grandpa's basement, the apartment basement. I vacuum around the hallways and crap. Ugh. That's what I do. I usually use my Power Force bagless to do like to do the rugs in the lobby, but on like the really dirty surfaces, I'm using this because I'm kind of afraid to use that because the motor brushes are effed up too. But I plan on replacing the motor. I cleaned out all the filters and cleaned out the motor. Alright, back to this. It's missing its attachments, all of them. There's one around the house somewhere. There's a carry handle. It's really heavy. It's really heavy to carry with one hand. I don't know what the hell Hoover was thinking. Just carry it like this. Just carry it like this. I only have one hand because I'm holding my tablet. So this is what it sounds like. There's a headlight. It's stuck on self-propelled mode. It's stuck. So you can't turn it off. So we're gonna vacuum this rug back here. It's not that dirty, but see how much it does. Alright, I'm gonna pour some dirt out on the rug. So we're gonna pour it out on the rug and see how good it performs. There we go. Put that back on. Put that back on. And go. Wow, that picked everything up. Let me turn on the light here. I picked everything up. Except for this one spot right here. Hopefully nothing's stuck in the brush roll, because when I pulled it back, not much. It has really good suction, by the way. So yeah, this Hoover is, I think, my only Hoover. I had the brand, like the 2011 version of the Hoover wind tunnel. I think it's the 30-year anniversary, 40-year anniversary. I don't know. this is what the cord thing looks like. It's pretty stupid. I'm going to show you right here. So you put it here, like, connect it to the wire when you're done wrapping it, but it keeps opening all the time. So I have to wrap it around here and leave it, or wrap it around the hose. I don't know what to do though. But yeah, this is my Hoover. I think I'm getting the Hoover T-Series soon. I had a T-Series, but when I was vacuuming, well, it was in the basement, and the sewer backed up, and yeah, the Hoover T-Series is gone. The motor was burned out. When I turned it on, smoke started coming from the T-Series. Not this one. This one's fine. But there was a leak downstairs yesterday, and it got some water on here. And it still worked good. I mean, same thing happened to this one, because sometimes I keep it in the basement. So yeah, that was my Hoover.